Hello, my name is Steve. I'm a student in the International School of Bucharest and I take IGCSE Chemistry. My personal experiment is going to be the rate of reactions, and I'm going to see how a catalyst speeds up a reaction. The two chemicals I'll be combining is sodium potassium tartrate with hydrogen peroxide solution, and I'll see how fast the reaction will happen with and without the catalyst. So for this experiment I'll need hydrogen peroxide, cobalt chloride and sodium potassium tartrate for my chemicals. Also I'll need a thermometer, a test tube holder, test tubes and a steering rod and the Bunsen burner. Okay, so I have 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide in this test tube, and I am going to add around 4 spatula measures of sodium potassium tartrate to it. Right, and I'm going just to stir it till it dissolves. Okay, so now that it has dissolved, I'm going to heat it over the Bunsen burner and count the temperature of when the reaction occurs. Okay, so now I'm going to record the temperature, and the temperature is 94 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now I have another 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and I will do the same. I will add around 4 spatula measures of sodium potassium tartrate to it, and I will shake it until it dissolves. Okay, so now that it has dissolved, I will add a bit of cobalt chloride, which will be the catalyst. And I will stir it until it dissolves a bit. And now I will heat it. Okay, so now that it started fizzing, I will put the thermometer in and take it over the sink. Okay, so now we can see that the color has turned green and that it's fizzing really violently. And now that the reaction has stopped, the hydrogen peroxide turns back to pink as before, since cobalt chloride is a transition element. And since it is a catalyst, it turns back to its initial color. So we saw that with the catalyst, the reaction was much more violent and much faster, even though it reached the same temperature at the end. And with the catalyst, although the color changed, and at the end the color went back to the initial color, since the catalyst does not get used up in the reaction. I hope you liked my experiment. Thank you for watching.